Hi, I am M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today, topic name TCS Test Pattern, Module number 1, Numerical Ability, 4th paper. Test Pattern, Section A and Section B. Section A, Foundation Part. Section B, Advanced Part. In Foundation Part, there is no technical ability. Just you prepare only verbal ability and aptitude. Aptitude, Module 1 and Module 3, Quant and Reasoning, means numerical ability and reasoning ability. Module number 2, logical part. Module number 2, verbal part. And Section B, advanced part, again prepare aptitude, second coding ability, either Python or C or C++, etc. Next, paper number 4, numerical ability syllabus. Total we have 10 chapters in numerical ability for a TCS test pattern. Prepare only very important topics in section A. That means highest marks in section A topics: statistics, number system, properties of numbers, simplifications, Bodmer's principle, remainder concept, LCM and HCF, algebra and sets and indices, and also prepare quadratic equations, find out roots. Those models are very important to number system. Second, statistics, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, mean deviation, quartile deviation. And next, range. These all definitions are only important to statistics. Next, third one, time, distance and speed. Remaining topics are general topics. Here, mensuration topic, I think 2 marks only. Mensuration topic, 2D figures and 3D figures. 2D and 3D, concentrate only formulas. Suppose 2D figures concept, calculate area and perimeter. 3D figures, volume and surface area. That principles are very important to mensuration. 1 mark 2D figure concept, another 1 mark 3D figure concept. Total 2 marks. Mensuration topic, area, perimeter, volume and surface area. Next, remaining topics, time and work, ratios, simple interest concept, percentage, profit and loss. And 9th one, data interpretation, also important, 2 marks in TCS test pattern. Important topics in data interpretation. One is bar chart, second pie chart. These two are very important to data interpretation. But data interpretation topic, using basic rules, means simplifications. Number 1, find the average, formula important. Second, ratios, calculate ratio of A and B. Third one, minimum percentage or maximum percentage, increase percentage or decrease percentage. And fourth one, number 4, profit and loss, find the selling price, cost price, MRP, profit percentage, loss percentage. These rules are very, very important to data interpretation. In next 10th one, permutations, combinations and probability. No need to prepare for foundation part. Prepare only advanced section but not to foundation section. This is about numerical ability part. Similarly, reasoning ability topics, general topics, coding and decoding, letter and number concept, puzzle test, deductions means statements and conclusions, decision making, cube concept, and non-verbal reasoning based on diagrams concept and Venn diagrams. These topics only important to reasoning ability. In next part, section 2, verbal ability. Concentrate only functional grammar. If we clear first part, foundation part, then only you are eligible to advanced section, that is 7 lakhs package, means a digital package 7 lakhs. Next NQT package or Ninja package 3.6 lakhs per annum. Two packages, number 1, number 2. Next note, no negative marks in TCS test pattern. All are multiple choice based questions. Target, maintain 60% and above. If you maintain each section 60% and above, then only first round and second round completed. Followed by technical interview and HR interview. This is about TCS NQT test procedure. Now we are going to start TCS test paper for numerical ability. 3 papers already completed. Now 4th paper. First example, number concept. First 4 questions. You may search a number of papers which are belongs to TCS NQT. First 4 to 5 questions are belongs to only number theory, means properties of numbers. Remaining questions are belongs to arithmetical ability or numerical ability part. First one, divisibility rule. If the 5-digit number 776xy is divisible by 3711, then the value of 5x plus 3y. A 13, B 21, C 23, D 26. Divisibility rule. A 3 divisibility, 7 divisibility, 11 divisibility rule. First general method, next shortcut method. Divisibility rule, 3 divisibility rule. Sum of the digits divisible by 3. Second, 7 divisibility, apply direct method. 11 divisibility rule, the difference between sum of even places and sum of odd places are divisible by 11. Then that number divisible by 11. Next, then the value of 5x plus 3y. Apply above 3 numbers rules. Calculate x and y. A problem is 5x plus 3y is equal to answer. Second method, shortcut method, product of 3, 7, 11. A 3 into 7 into 11 is equal to 231. Next, given number 5-digit number 77xy, here x and y are single digit numbers. Digit means single digit numbers. Maximum value of x is equal to 9. Maximum value of x is equal to 9. Therefore, largest 5-digit number using x and y combination. Suppose assumption 77699. This is divisible by 231. A 231 into 336. Result 7716. 7716. Remainder 83. By using divisibility condition, calculate only quotient but not remainder. That means here this number only exactly divisible by 231. This number is not divisible. Highest number is equal to 7761. This number only exactly divisible by 231. That means same number divisible by 3, divisible by 7, divisible by 11. When these numbers are divisible by above 5-digit number, calculate x and y values. Here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. Now substitute 5x plus 3y. Here 5 into 1 plus 3 into 6. 5 plus 18 is equal to 23. Option C only correct. This is the method. Using divisibility rule. Here 2 divisibility, last digit even number. 3 divisibility, sum. 4 divisibility, last 2 digits. 5 divisibility, 0 or 5. 6 divisibility, 2 and 3. 7 divisibility, apply the direct condition. 8 divisibility, last 3 digits. 9 divisibility, sum of the digits, 11 difference. And so on. Next, example number 2. If x is equal to, again simplification topic and also important to BODMAS rule. Here BODMAS rule. Here B bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This rule also important to TCS test pattern. I think 1 mark only using BODMAS simplification concept. Second, x is equal to root of 9 plus root of 9 plus root of 9 plus and so on infinite. Y is equal to root of 9 minus root of 9 minus root of 9 and so on. Find the relation between x and y. Option verification. X minus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1. X by y is equal to 1. X into y is equal to 1. Suppose this is considered as a x is squaring on both sides, then x square. This part is equal to x variable. X square is equal to 9 plus x. Then x square minus x minus 9 is equal to 0. This is called equation number 1. Similarly, this part considered as a y squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to y minus 9. Then y square plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Here calculate roots. Here calculate roots. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula for quadratic equation method. Here x is equal to, here b is equal to minus 1 means plus or minus root of b square. B is equal to 1 square. 4ac, a is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 9, minus into minus plus 36 by 2a, 2 into 1, 2. X is equal to 1 plus or minus 37 by 2. This is called x variable, plus or minus 2 roots. Similarly, y is equal to minus b minus 1 plus or minus b square minus into minus plus 36 by 2a. In next, y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 37 by 2. This is called x and y roots. Now apply the options one by one. Which option indicate LHS is equal to RHS? That option only correct. Suppose substitute option A. X minus y is equal to 1. This is 100% correct because minus 1 plus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So option A only correct. This is called quadratic equation method. quadratic equation method, calculate only roots. Quadratic equations plus or minus 2 roots only possible. First root 1 minus 1 plus root of 37 by 2. Second case minus 1 minus root of 37 by 2. Similarly, y variable also. This example answer option A only correct. Next, third example, algebra method. If a cube plus b cube is equal to 539, a plus b is equal to 11, find the value of root of a plus b whole square plus 7ab. Simplification concept. There is no formulas here. Just you apply only algebraic formula a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. The rules only important to this example. We know that a plus b whole cube. Here a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Substitute a plus b whole cube means 11 cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to 539. 3ab into 11. Here calculate ab, product of a and b. ab is equal to 1331 minus 539 divisible by 11 is equal to 24. Next condition, root of a plus b whole square. A plus b means 11 square 121 plus 7 into 24 is equal to 289. Answer 17, option B only correct. First one, second one, third one also. 3 questions, 3 marks. These 3 questions are belongs to only properties of numbers means simplifications. Next, fourth example, time and work concept method. Work inversely proportional to the time. First condition. Models in time and work. First model. Calculate a plus b plus c, a minus b. Example. A work 10 days, B work 20. Calculate a plus b. That is first method. Second method, efficiency concept important to TCS NQT. A is twice as efficient than B. Third model, chain rule property. M1 D1 T1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 T2 by W2. That rule also important. Fourth concept, remaining work. Fifth concept, X plus Y, 2 men plus 3 women 5 days, 5 men plus 10 women 2 days. Calculate 10 men plus 5 men 5 women. That models are belongs to type number 4. These rules only important to TCS NQT. In TCS NQT, 2 marks only time and work concept, 1 model basic concept, 1 model average concept, total 2 marks. Even advanced section also important. Time and work also important to advanced section. Next, fourth example method. 6 men together can complete 1/3 of work in 12 days. Then 1 work is dash days. 1/3 12 days. 1 work dash days. That 1/12 into 3 36 days. So answer 6 men. 6 men 1 day work is equal to 1/36 directly. 1/3. 1/3 in 12 days. 1 work 12 into 3 36. 6 men work 36 days. 6 men 1 work 36 days. 6 men can complete a work in 30 days. 1 day work 1/36. Next 1 man 1 day work. 1 man 1 day work is equal to 1/36 into 6 is equal to 216. This is called 6 cube 216. 1 man 1 day work is equal to 1/216. Second, 4 women together can complete half of the same work in 27 days. Then full work is equal to 54 days. A 4 women 1 day work is equal to 1/54. 1 woman 1 day work is equal to 1 by 54 into 4 is equal to 4 into 4 16, again 216. Next, 9 boys together can complete 3 by 4th of the same work in 54 days. A 3 by 4th 54 days, one work 54 into 4 by 3, a 3 into 17, 68. Next, 9 boys one day work is equal to 1 by 68. 1 by 1 day work is equal to 1 by 68 into 9. Calculate 1 man 1 day work, 1 by 1 day work, 1 woman 1 day work. These three substitute the above condition. 3 men, 2 women, 3 boys. A 2 into 1 man 1 by 260. And next 2 women 1 into 1 a 2 in next one 3 men, sorry, next one 2 women, 2 into 1 woman, 260 plus 3 boys, 3 into 1 by 68 into 9 is equal to answer. Answer 36 days, only correct option B. This part only depending only simplification. There is no logic here, only one logic applicable. The logic work and time inverse proportion. 1 boy convert into a 1 day work, 1 woman convert into a 1 day work, 1 men convert into a 1 day work, 1 man convert into a 1 day work. That method only important here. Don't worry about simplification. That part is very simple. Next, to apply LCM concept, calculate total work is equal to 36 days. 1 day work 1 by 36, whole work 36 days. This is about time and work. One of the most important topic in TCS NQT test pattern. Minimum 2 marks only, time and work concept. Very simple application. Easy concept. Your important part only LCM application. If you calculate LCM perfectly, then answer completed. This question answer 36 days only correct. Your remaining part only simplification. Next, fifth example, percentage concept. In an examination, 55% of the students passed and 621 failed. If the number of students for the exam was 69% of those who had applied for the exam, how many students applied for the examination? Let's suppose total number of students is equal to X. But attempt the exam only 69% students, 16% of X. Next, passed students. Passed students means 55% of 69% of X. This indicate a number of passed students. But number of failed students 621. Total students means passed plus failed is equal to total number of students. A passed students 55% of 69% of X plus 621 is equal to X. Total students is nothing but fail plus pass. Pass students, total X students, attempt the exam only 16%. Next, passed only 55%. Then 55% of 69% of X. This indicate number of passed students plus number of failed students directly given 621. Passed plus failed is equal to total number of students. In that equation, calculate X value. X is nothing but total number of students. Percentage means by 100. 55 by 100 into 69 by 100 into X plus 621 is equal to X. X is equal to 2000. Option C only correct. This is about percentage concept. Very simple. Again, this problem also using only simplification. There is no shortcut method here. Just you apply direct method, basic information. Total number of students is equal to passed plus fail. Calculate passed students and failed students equating to X. Calculate X variable. X is called total number of students. Next, sixth one. Again percentage concept. In 2020, a certain number of students for Institute A appeared in the annual examination and 65% of the students passed. In the same year, Institute B, 100% more students than that of A appeared in the same examination for Institute B. If 75% of the total students of A and B passed in the examination, then fail percentage of students of Institute B is dash. Here calculate only fail percentage. Institute A, Institute B. Percentage means assumption 100. That next problem method easy. X variable also correct, lengthy and complex. Using 100 very simple. Suppose A Institute assumption total number of students 100. Passed 65%, remaining failed means 35 students failed in Institute A. Next Institute B. Institute B 100% more than that of Institute A. More indicate plus operator. 100 plus 100% of 100. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Institute B total number of students 100 plus 100 200. Institute B number of failed students not given, that percentage not given, assumption X percentage of 200 students are failed. Next 75% of the students of A and B, both the institutes, both A plus B. A plus B failed. A plus B failed 75% of total strength A plus B, 100 plus 200, 300. This is called passed, failed 25% failed, not 75%, because this complete problem convert into a failed concept. Next total A, only A 35 students, only B X percentage of 200. Next combine A plus B 25% of 300. Next to 35 plus X by 100 into 2, 25 by 100, 25 by 100 into 300. Next 2x, this is called 200. 2x is equal to 75 minus 35 is equal to 40. X is equal to 20. X is nothing but failed students percentage is equal to 20. Option A only correct. Fifth one and sixth one, these two are belongs to only percentage concept. Very simple. Examination concept, election between two candidates. These two methods are using only 100%. In 100%, 65 passed, remaining failed. That concept is more than enough to solve the problems in percentage topic. And now seventh one. I think LCM concept. Two numbers having their LCM 480 or in the ratio 3:4. What will be the smaller number of this pair? LCM and HCF application. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This is applicable only two numbers but not more than two numbers. More than two numbers apply the general procedure but not this method. This method applicable only to two numbers. Product of two numbers means suppose A into B. A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. A into B is equal to LCM into HCF. Suppose first number consider 3x, second number consider 4x. HCF of 3x, 4x. Highest common factor of 3x, 4x is equal to x. Ratio type of questions are given. HCF always consider only x variable. Now apply the formula. Here A number 3x, B number 4x, LCM given 480, HCF x. X term cancel. 12x is equal to 480. X is equal to 480 by 12 is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. X is nothing but HCF is equal to 40. Then first number 3x, second number 4x, 3 into 40, 120, 4 into 40, 160, smaller number 120, option B only correct, but not option C. A larger number 160, smaller number 120, not 120, only correct. Okay, right. Next. Eighth example, profit and loss concept using marked price. A shopkeeper gains 20% by selling an article at 25% discount on its marked price. Here cost price not given, but gain 20%. Gain means profit percentage only 20%. Discount 25 on its marked price. Here cost price not given, selling price not given, MRP not given. Assumption important. That assumptions based on only 100 multiples, then problem easy. Suppose cost price is equal to 100. Then selling price 20% gain means 120. Next find MRP, discount to 25%. We know that selling price is equal to MRP into 100 minus D1 by 100. If selling price 120, calculate MRP, D1 25% means 75 by 100, 75 by 100. Then MRP is equal to 160. By using first equation, cost price 100, selling price 120, MRP 160. Next second statement. If the cost price of the article increases by 20%, then calculate new cost price is equal to, new cost price is equal to 120. Next, how much discount percentage should we give now on the same market price? Market price again second statement again constant is equal to 160. But to get a profit of 8%, profit 8%, calculate selling price. A selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100. Here cost price 120, 108 by 100. Then selling price 129.06. This is called selling price. New selling price, new cost price. Formula again same. Selling price is equal to MRP into 100 minus D1 by 100. Selling price approximately 129.06 is equal to MRP same as above statement, that is 160. Calculate discount means D 100 minus D by 100. Here calculated discount is equal to 19%. Option B only correct. This is called profit and loss concept using marked price concept. Very simple. Here important only basic rules only important. First basic rule. If cost price not given, assumption 100. Next second rule. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100. Third rule. Selling price is equal to MRP into 100 minus D1 by 100. These three rules only important to this example. Next, ninth one. Simple interest. The difference between the simple interest on a sum at P percentage per annum, P minus 5% per annum after 4 years will be rupees 12,000. Find the sum. Sum means principal amount. Simple interest PT or by 100. P principal amount, T time period or rate of interest. SI1 and SI2. Principal amount not given, consider X variable. P1 is equal to X and P2 is equal to X. R1 is equal to P percentage per annum. R2 is equal to P minus 5% per annum. Time period T1 is equal to T2 is equal to 4. Next P1 X rupees. Time 4. Next or P by 100 minus. Next P2 again X time for rate of interest P minus 5 by 100 is equal to 12,000. Find X variable. Here P by 100, P by 100 cancel because minus. Next minus into minus plus 20x by 100 is equal to 12,000. Next 20 into 5. X is equal to 60,000. 12,000 into 5 is equal to 60,000. Option C only correct. Okay. Very simple. This is called X into 4 into P by 100 minus 5 into X into 4 by 100 minus into minus plus X into 4 into P by 100 minus X into 4 into P by 100. The term cancel. Remaining 20x by 100 is equal to 12,000. X is equal to 60,000. Option C only correct. This is about 9th example using simple interest. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal amount. 10th one again same using compound interest. One mark from simple interest, another from compound interest. What is the difference between the compound interest and rupees 60,000 at the rate of 12% per annum compounded annually in 2 years? Second part simple interest. Simple interest earned on rupees 50,000 at 16% per annum in 2 years. Calculate compound interest and simple interest. The difference is equal to answer. First one compound interest compounded annually or yearly. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. Here principal amount 60,000. 60,000 into 1 plus 12 by 100 whole to the power of time period 2 years. This is called A. Next find compound interest amount minus P. This is called amount. Next principal amount. Equation number 1. Second equation simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Where P 50,000 time 2 years or 16 by 100. This is called second equation. Difference equation 1 minus 2 is equal to 736. Option D only correct. Here important only simplification only important. Equation 1 minus 2 only correct answer is equal to 736. General method compound interest formula amount minus principal amount where amount compounded yearly P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of T. Simple interest unique formula PTR by 100. Compound interest and simple interest 2 marks completed. Next 11th ratio and proportion. A is to B 2 is to 3, B is to C 4 is to 5. Calculate A is to B is to C. Simply here B multiplied by second ratio, here B multiplied by first ratio. Right? A is to B is to C. 8 is to next 12 is to 15. This is called A is to B is to C. Second statement D is 20% more than C. D is 20%. Sorry, C not D. D letter not available. D letter not available. ABC only. C. Suppose D is 20% more than C. D is equal to 20% of 15 is equal to 3. Then D is equal to 18. D is equal to 18 and A is equal to 8. 8 is to 18, 8 is to 18, 8 is to 18, 2 into 4, 2 into 9. A only correct. Simple calculation. First method, calculate A is to B, A is to B, B is to C, B convert into a fixed number, then first ratio B multiplied by second ratio B multiplied by first ratio, write A is to B is to C. But D is 20 percentage more than C, 15 plus 20 percentage of 15, 18. A is equal to 8 parts in terms of parts, and D is equal to 18 parts, write A is to D. 8 is to 18, 4 is to 9, option A only correct. Last example, partnership investment concept. Aditya, Bhaskar, Chandu divide an amount of rupees 10,200 in the ratio 4:7:9. Calculate Aditya share. Aditya 4 parts divisible by 17 into 10,200. 16 means 2,400 Aditya. Next to Bhaskar 7 by 17 into 10,200. 4,200 Bhaskar. Chandu profit 6 by 17 into 10,200. 3,600. Shades of Aditya, Bhaskar, Chandu. First statement completed. Aditya and Chandu give 600 each to charity. Minus 600 Aditya means 1,800. Minus 600 Chaitanya, Chandu 3,000. Next, Bhaskar lent rupees 3,000 to Pradeep and earned an interest 1,200. Total amount of Chandu 4,200. In 4,200, 3,000 lent 3,000 rupees to Pradeep, but interest 1,200 plus 1,200 is equal to 4,200. Remain 1,200. Total amount of Chandu 5,400. Find the ratio of amounts of with them now. But Aditya amount 1,800, Bhaskar amount, so this is called Bhaskar amount 5,400. Next, Chandu amount to 3,000. 0 zeros cancel. 6 into 3, 6 into 9, 6 into 5. 3:9:5. Option D only correct. This is about partnership topic. Partnership topic method. Profit is equal to investment into time. A profit is to B profit is equal to A investment into time is to B investment into time. When time is constant, then investment ratio is equal to profit ratio. Questions in partnership topic. Calculate profit ratios of A, B and C. Otherwise, calculate A and B time. A and B investments. Investment is nothing but capital. This is about partnership. Okay. Paper 4 also completed. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.